In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 3 Voice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Grok website, sign in, turn on voice mode, allow microphone access, and start speaking to get fast, accurate answers. First, open a modern web browser and head to the official Grok website. For the smoothest experience, make sure your internet connection is stable and your microphone or headset is connected and selected as your default input device. A quiet space will help the system understand you better, so if you can, minimize background noise before you begin. Next, log into your account. Click the Sign In button and enter your credentials securely. If your account uses additional verification, complete that step when prompted. Once you're in, you should land on the main chat interface where you can type prompts. Today, though, we're focusing on voice. Look for the voice option or the microphone icon in the interface. On desktop, it may appear near the message box. On mobile, it could be anchored at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this turns on voice mode, which lets you talk to Grok hands-free. If this is your first time using it in your browser, a permission prompt will appear. When your browser asks for microphone access, choose Allow. This permission is required so Grok can hear you. If you have multiple microphones, pick the one you want from your browser or system settings. If you accidentally blocked access, open your browser's site settings for Grok and switch the microphone permission to Allow, then try again. Now you're ready to speak. Tap or click the microphone to start and wait for the visual cue that listening has begun, usually a pulsing icon or a brief sound. Speak clearly at a natural pace. Short, direct prompts often work best, like "Summarize this article" or "What's the latest on this topic?" You may see live transcription as you talk. When you finish, stop speaking or tap the microphone again and give the system a moment to process. Grok will transcribe your speech, recognize your intent, and return helpful data or answers right on the screen. If the response isn't exactly what you wanted, try rephrasing your question or adding a detail or two to guide the result. You can follow up naturally by tapping the microphone again and continuing the conversation. That's it. Open the Grok website, log in, enable voice, allow the microphone, and start speaking. With these steps, you can move from typing to talking and get the same powerful results faster and more conveniently.